Hi, thanks for stopping by Angel Gilding. I'm Alex and I'm here today to show you our brand new antiquing product. RT Antique is a concentrated liquid that's both safe as well as easy to use to antique a freshly silver mirror. This finish, I think, gives you the closest that you can possibly get to that natural antiquing that Mother Nature can provide for us over a long period of time, but in a much faster and more controlled process. Now, as I said, RT Antique is a concentrated liquid, and that's important because it means that we have a wide variety of effects that we can get depending on the concentration of the liquid, the amount of time that it's left on, and the amount that's applied on the surface. So for today, we're going to be using these freshly silvered mirrors. I silvered these pieces just using our spray silver, but of course you can use pouring silver as well. And you'll see that the silvering surface is dry. We've allowed that silver to dry completely. And we'll show two different effects. The first one I want to show you is fully concentrated. So in other words, not diluted at all. And there's a handy trick here that I wanted to point out. So what we have here is our RT Antiquing kit. So that's our RT Antique liquid, misting bottle, and the 50 ml cylinder. For full concentration, you actually don't need to measure anything. You can take the lid off and just put on your misting bottle. Now it's not going to lock in as tightly. You don't want to store it this way, but if you're using it at full concentration, you can use it just like that, spritz on your glass. Let me show you what that looks like. Okay, now let me show you our second effect. Using all the same products, I've got another mirror here and our RT Antiquing kit. I'm going to dilute it based on what the label recommends. So what that means is I'm going to measure out 30 ml of the concentrate, of course using gloves once again, in my 50 ml cylinder. I'm going to add that to my misting bottle. And then I'm going to add in 120 milliliters of distilled water. 2 points to note on that. First of all, you can see 30 ml, 120, so a 1:4 ratio. So I could size this up and down however I'd like. Second is that we always recommend that you use distilled water. You want to isolate your variables. So say for example you use tap water and there was something in that tap water. That could affect the surface in a way that you weren't intending to. So I've got 50, $100, and another 20 milliliters of that distilled water. Anytime you're pouring your antiquing chemicals directly into a misting bottle, we recommend that you designate, that you label that misting bottle that it's specifically for that, instead of going back and just using it for distilled water, because once again, you could do some contamination there that you wouldn't mean to do. Okay, put that on tight and rock it back and forth. Now we can see already from the color difference, we've got a more dilute solution than what comes in the bottle. So let's see what that effect looks like. And there you have it. With one product, our RT Antique on fresh silvered glass, we got a wide range of effects. Now here you can see what it looks like with that dilute solution according to the label on the bottle. Here it is with the full concentration. And then also you might have seen that we threw in there a bonus piece. And this is one that we did with the full concentration, so not diluted, and then did another layer of silver. So just throwing that in as an additional idea. But of course, like any of our antiquing products, there's a wide range of options available to you depending on how much you apply, what type of mirror you're using, how long you let it sit, all those types of things. So I definitely recommend that you give this a try. You'll find this on our website, angelgilding.com, but certainly leave in the comment box below if you have any ideas of ways that you could use this, or perhaps any other questions for us. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for stopping by. Have a good one.